Welcome to Great Choice. Top 6 Best Vending Machine in 2025. Top 1. EPEX Snack Beverage Combo Vending Machine with LED Glass Front. Affordable Combo Vending Machine, Small Combo Vending Machine, Low-Cost Combo Vending Machine, Snack Beverage Vending Machine, Affordable Small Combo Vending Machine with LED lighting, Card Reader option available at additional cost. Power consumption, with cooling unit, max, 700W standby, 100W, 100W. Top 2. EPEX Beverage Large Combo Vending Machine with Stratified Temp Control Black EPG 65040. Dimensions/weight, W1034mm XD750mm H1900mm, 275 kg. Power consumption, 110-220V, 60/50Hz, 400W 500W on average. Compressor coolant, 1 horsepower compressor, brand, Domper, R134A, brand, DuPont. Max selections, 6 trays, 54 selections. Vending capacity, 189 snacks, 41 bottles and 94 cans based on default tray/spiral config. Voltage, 110.0 volts, defrost system type, automatic. Top 3. Aided Vending Machine with Touch Card Reader, Black. Snack Beverage Combo Vending Machine, capacity, 245 bottles, 5 shelves 7 columns 7 rows, allows users to select and take multiple items at once, similar to shopping in a supermarket. Accepts credit card, Apple and Google, Samsung Pay, mobile and NFC payments. Cashless, designed to eliminate many mechanical parts, easy to use, more reliable than cash vending machines. Smart open door system, no longer have the problem of shaking soda water, take what you want. 1-year parts warranty. Top 4. EPEX Combo Vending Machine with Dual Zone Temp Control, Small Snack and Cold Drink. Dual Temperature Zones, pull-out refrigeration deck for easy replacement, 20 ounces, 16.9 ounces. Monster, Red Bull, 12 ounces cans, can or bottle in any column, pull-out tilt-down trays for easy loading, FCC, ADA compliant, LED lighting around the glass with defrog function, compact cabinet vends cold soda, candy, chips and snack. Liquid injection foam technology guarantees the highest insulating efficiency. Removable refrigeration system, easy to maintain, repair and replace. Stratified temperature control, upper 2 trays, AB, range between 57 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit and lower 2 trays, CD, range between 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 58 degrees Fahrenheit 12. 45/90 degree 2-stage tiltable shelves make maintenance much easier. Tray spacing is adjustable by each step of 15 mm height. Drop sensor installed in delivery bin to ensure vending success every time. LED string lighting system. Top 5. EPEX Refrigerated Beverage Combo Vending Machine with Stratified Temp Control. Compact cabinet vends cold soda, candy, chips and snack. Liquid injection foam technology guarantees the highest insulating efficiency. Removable refrigeration system, easy to maintain, repair and replace. Stratified temperature control, upper 3 trays, A/C, range between 57 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit and lower 3 trays, DEF, range between 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Main features, compact cabinet vends cold soda, candy, chips and snack. Liquid injection foam technology guarantees the highest insulating efficiency. Removable refrigeration system, easy to maintain, repair and replace. Stratified temperature control, upper 3 trays, A/C, range between 57 degrees Fahrenheit to 64 degrees Fahrenheit and lower 3 trays, DEF, range between. Top 6. Yeego Commercial Display Beverage Refrigerator, 27.12 Cu.ft Vending Machine with LED light and adjustable shelves, Drink Cooler 32-50 degrees Fahrenheit for supermarkets, business, grocery stores, offices, home. Professional after-sales support. To ensure your order is delivered smoothly, please provide the correct recipient address and phone number when placing your order. This helps the logistics company contact you to ensure that the package is delivered accurately to your address. We offer dedicated customer support to address any questions you may have. Important: please allow the cooler to sit for 24 to 48 hours after delivery before plugging it in to ensure optimal performance. Spacious yet space-saving design. This 27.12 Cu.ft beverage cooler, 25dx 40.1 inches wx 75.8 inches h, combines massive capacity with a compact footprint, ideal for homes or commercial use. Features 10 adjustable metal shelves to fit bottles, cans, and bulk storage, plus 4 smooth rolling wheels for effortless mobility. Perfect for grocery stores, bars. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.